welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. I'm the founder of the School of Life. If you're new here, welcome. Please directly click on the like button and subscribe to this channel because here we talk about skincare, hair care, dating, and relationships. So right now we're in the middle of a 30 days hair growth challenge, and today is day 8. And this challenge is focused specifically on receding hairline and on balding edges and bald spots. So if you've already watched the previous videos, you already know that the product that we are using is this one, Virgin Hair Fertilizer. So I love this product. There's a video where I completely tell you my experience with it in the past, and I tell you that it works really well. So as I'm going to apply it, because we're supposed to apply it twice per day, in the morning and the evening, and then to do a massage. In my previous video, I talked about scalp massage. If you've not yet watched it, I invite you to check it out. So as I'm going to do my scalp massage today, I will tell you about a hair mask that I used a lot for my hair when I was transitioning from relaxed to natural hair. Also when I had really problem of bald spots and everything. That mask is so good to help your hair grow back. So I would recommend that if you can find the ingredients in combination to using this product, Virgin Hair Fertilizer, you should do that mask every 2 weeks. It will really help you out. So I'm going to attach a video of the hair mask just right here. So as you can see in this video, I am using banana and I am using avocado. Those are the two main ingredients. Now you can add other things. You can add honey. You can add also how do we call this thing? You can add olive oil, or you can add the hair growth oil that you are using. In this case, if you want, you can even put some of the virgin hair fertilizer in it. It depends on you totally. But the mask is mainly avocado and banana. You can add egg. That would be really great because it is like protein. So I would do that mask like very often, every 2 weeks. At times, if I could, I would do the mask either every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and that mask works pretty well. So you just have to blend all that, and then you put it in a, you just have to blend all that, and then you put it on your hair, and you will leave it on your hair for 4 to 6 hours. At times I would even leave it overnight, but I heard that it's not really a good thing. I don't really like leaving hair mask on my hair overnight anyway. So I would recommend that you leave it for a long period of time on your hair, like 4 to 6 hours, and then you rinse it out, and then you use, like I do my shampoo before that. So you first do the shampoo, then you use the mask, then you rinse it out, then you use conditioner, or you can use it as a deep conditioner even anyway. Just make sure that you put it on your edges. It really helps with the edges and the hairline, and that's it. So if you like natural hair recipes like this one that I just showed to you, I have other recipes like this in my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. Make sure to grab a copy. It's available on Amazon. Get it for yourself, read it, try the recipes, and enjoy them. You'll see how it's going to produce amazing results for your hair. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also write in the comment section if you have already tried this type of hair mask on your hair and how did it go. And also please do not forget to share this video with anyone whom you know wants to grow back their hairline, and please subscribe so as not to miss any update. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.